Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
Ladyboy
is a term commonly used in Thailand and Southeast Asia to describe transgender women, biological males who identify and live as women, or sometimes men who dress as women. However, in English, the respectful and widely accepted term is transgender woman, as ladyboy can be seen as informal or offensive outside its cultural context.
Ladyboy 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 Ladyboy
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.